some work environments require absolute precision. When working around an aircraft, a boom lift operates just centimeters away from equipment worth millions. A single contact can lead to serious damage, grounding the aircraft and triggering immediate financial consequences. In environments where visibility is limited or obstructed, every movement becomes critical, and operators must navigate with absolute control to avoid costly collisions. To meet this challenge, Haulotte has developed Obstacle Detection Assist, a manufacturer-certified solution designed to protect infrastructure and sensitive objects by reducing the risk of collision to a minimum. Obstacle Detection Assist focuses where it matters most, the upper part of the machine, where collision risks are highest. Using a network of intelligently positioned ultrasonic sensors, the system continuously scans the surrounding environment to detect any obstacle that could interfere with the machine's movement. Obstacle Detection Assist at a glance. Minimized collision risk through intelligent obstacle detection. Enhanced situational awareness with clear visual and audible alerts. Maximum protection with automatic machine cutout before impact. To support this real-time monitoring, a dedicated human-machine interface, HMI, provides clear and intuitive feedback. The operator can instantly locate the obstacle in relation to the machine, identify the risk zone at a glance, and safely adjust the maneuver with confidence. Audible alarms deliver immediate, unmistakable feedback, ensuring fast reaction and heightened awareness across the entire work area. As soon as elevation begins, sensors located under the platform, the boom, and the jib are automatically activated. They continuously monitor the area around the upper structure of the machine, instantly detecting proximity to any obstacle. When a risk is identified, audible and visual warnings alert the operator, allowing immediate correction. If the machine continues to approach the obstacle, Obstacle Detection Assist automatically stops the movement, preventing a collision before it happens. With Obstacle Detection Assist, operators benefit from intelligent operational assistance that makes working at height more controlled to protect sensitive equipments. For fleet managers and owners, it means better peace of mind, backed by reliable, continuous monitoring. Designed to meet the demands of a wide range of applications, from aviation and museums to shipyards and the aerospace industry, Obstacle Detection Assist delivers greater confidence, precision, and peace of mind to every operation.